Hello, and thank you so much for joining me. Today I am going to do the drawing for the giveaway for 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for all those who entered. I found a whole bunch of boxes from my Michael's grab bags and I'm like, oh my gosh, I could have added some of this and of that. So now we're going to do the next giveaway at 500. So keep them coming. I've got some goodies to give away, and thank you so much as always. And without further ado, let's see what we have in here. So the first winner is Kathy Lively. And let's see what number. Kathy Lively, number 5. Kathy Lively, number 5. Awesome, congratulations. Second winner is Lisa Marie Sanchez. And let's see what number. Lisa Marie Sanchez. And you get package number 4. Third winner is Mamma Mia DIY. She will be getting package number 1. Mamma Mia DIY package number 1. Awesome. Congratulations. All right, here we go. Next winner, number 4, is Kelly Myers. And she will be getting package number 3. Kelly Myers, number 3. And last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jen S. Okay. Jen S. And she will be getting package number 2. Is the only one left? We're just gonna open it just to make sure. So congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much for entering. I am so grateful for everyone who has just given me all the love and support. It means the world to me. I'm climbing, I'm getting there, and I just thank you. So I will be messaging these winners so that I can get all their info. I will leave their names in the description. And I will be getting some videos out to you soon. I kind of took a little mental break the last week or 2, so I am going to be working really hard to get those out. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Subscribe, hit the like button, share, get the word out, and that's it. I will see you soon. Take care. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.